All right, here we are. We are testing out Android Auto for the first time here. Let's see. This is pretty cool, actually. I've never used this before. So let's see. It's like got apps and stuff you can check out. That's cool. I mean, so does the Tesla. Of course, I'm used to, just having one screen for everything. I'm not really used to these buttons, to be honest, but it's cool. Yeah, you could do a lot. Of course, watch YouTube and, Netflix, Disney Plus, all that works. You can even go to the browser and then watch anything, live sports, whatever. It might work on here. I just don't have data package right now. I'm overseas. But this is a pretty cool system. It's not bad at all, actually. It serves the purpose. But I like to see it all on one screen. I personally just don't like messing with my phone when I'm in the car. In the Tesla, we have the wireless charging pad. They do here too, but this is a gas-powered Mercedes. It's nice that they have the screen in front of you as well too. That's something I'm no longer used to looking at directly down in front of me. I'm just kind of used to glancing here now. So that took me a while too, honestly. Sitting in a car like this it's been a while, but it's awesome. At the same time, I like Mercedes. I like their electric car. I think it's a lot less to operate than the gas version, but of course, I'm a big fan of Tesla. I like the way that they have everything from your screen. You don't need your phone for. It has its own proprietary software that you don't need your phone for. So if you didn't want to really mess around with your phone, then Tesla's screen has got everything built in. So I'm not sure what Mercedes-Benz's proprietary software looks like, but I like the fact they added Android Auto, Apple CarPlay, whatever the heck they call it. And it's a cool thing. I just would never expect it on a Tesla forever. I think they're really keen on making their own, software. And this is cool. Don't get me wrong. It feels nice in here, but I personally, look, it says vehicle's ready to shut down. Well, I don't even know what's going on. I don't even, turn vehicles on anymore. It's that's another thing, but at the end of the day, it's really cool. I guess Android Auto is pretty cool. It serves the purpose, but let's see, this collision avoidance. Okay, that's pretty cool. Let's see what else has got. Assistance. Oh, that's pretty cool. All right, so it's even, I like this visual that it gives. This is pretty sick. Tesla does something like that too, but no, this one feels clean, actually. Like that's tight. Let's see, that's tight the way they were showing you what part of the car it is. That's sick. All right, let's see, camera. Right now, the open camera cover. Ooh, that's sick. Oh, okay, I didn't even know it has a camera cover. That is pretty sick. Parking. All right, look at that. We've got some alerts going on, some sensors maybe. I'm not sure if it's using the cameras or what. Maneuvering assistant. Wow, so it does have drive away assist, close range braking. Nice. Okay, that's awesome. So it does stop by itself too. Camera, open camera cover. Interesting. Honestly, it's pretty cool. Let's see, there was some more stuff. Info, system itself. Hey Mercedes, online recognition.
How can I help?
It talks to you. So does the Tesla, but I turn the volume down on it because it kind of scares me sometimes. I love that. Let's see, lights.
I'm sorry.
Ambient lights. Oh, that's sick. Color effects. Oh, see, that's sick. The new Highlander has that. I don't, in my Model 3 and Y does not have the ambient lights, but shout out to Evbase. They sent me the ambient lights and I installed them and they're awesome. I even got one right here in the little center console area, and then I've got one going across.
You have not subscribed to this service. To use it, you first have to activate the service. And what do you want to do?
See, that's another thing. You never really hear that ever in Teslas. The only thing that you can activate is the full self-driving. Other than that, everything comes unlocked. There is premium, of course. You have to pay $10 a month for your car to have internet. You don't have to do that. You can use the internet off your phone too, if you have unlimited. So it's truly up to you. So in that event, you could still connect your phone, use the internet, and then everything is running through here. So it's not like, yeah, because the car has its own internet capabilities itself, like without a phone, because Tesla's constantly sending updates and whatnot, you know, to the phone. So yeah, this is sick, man. This is gonna be a little wrap out here of the review of, I'm not even sure what model this is, to be honest. My cousin's car here in the UK. He just, yeah, pretty much gave it to me. No, I'm just kidding. But yeah, it's awesome. It's about to shut down in 7 minutes here. And yeah, all right. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.